our channel. If you don't know already,
I'm Greg.
and I'm Sarah, and this is
Ted. That's so cringe, that is. That's cheesy. We'll leave it in anyway, because cheese sells, don't it? Anyway, today we've got some
a bit of
mature cheddar. I like a bit of double Gloucester. And talking of that, we're in Gloucester, and today we've got something special for you because we know what you like now, because we're looking at all the stats, and we know you liked the hotel video a few weeks ago at the Hyatt, and we know you like the stealth camp video, so we thought we'd mix it up a bit. And over to you, Sarah.
We are stopping at the Hilton in Gloucestershire.
And I think you've just pressed a picture.
Took a picture.
You've took a picture in your pocket. I just said it come through the
Took a picture of the
speakers.
So so we're going to stop in the car park, and we're going to do a stealth camp in the hotel car park.
We're going to go and have a swim.
A swim.
And we can have a spa and whatever else, because it is just £20. We're going to use the facilities, use the swimming, use the sauna, use the spa, use the steam room. Then we're going to use the changing rooms to get ready. Why not?
And then we might even head out for some grub later.
A bite to eat and a couple of pints. And of course we're going to take you with us.
And Ted's coming as well, because it is dog friendly.
It is, isn't it, in there?
Yeah. And the pub there is a pub next door, which is also dog friendly.
It is, yeah, I remember.
So Ted will be
We have
joining us.
been there before, a long time ago. So, without further ado, we're going to
get to our destination.
Get straight into the video. Right, we've come for the spa day. We're in the sauna. It's red hot. Battery's on 1%. Don't know why, because it was working fine in the van.
Maybe it's the heat in here.
Could be the heat. We are in the sauna. It's about 95 degrees. Sarah's getting out in a minute to get ready, and then I'm going to stay in here and chill out for an hour or so. And then Sarah's got to find some straighteners, some plugs to plug her straighteners in, which is, we thought they'd be in the changing rooms, but they're not. And then so we may have to go into the bar area and use the plugs. But we'll see. We'll take you with us.
We have been here before, and there is a separate bit to the bar and whatever. But we didn't go in there, did we? So hopefully it's open again this time, and we can.
Maybe. We'll see.
Well, I need straighteners.
We'll sort it. We usually do. We'll see you in a minute.
Greg will fix it.
So I've worked out my only option to make it through this trip without Sarah beating me up, without Sarah not ever speaking to me again or not trusting my trips, right, which I don't want, because I've got plenty more lined up. The only thing I can do is it's got to be my duty to go and find a 3-pin plug, and I need to, wherever I've got to go in that hotel, I need to go to find it. So that's my mission. You'll make it happen, won't you, Ted? Huh? Alright, Ted's coming in as well. Hey presto. Greg is back in the good books. Ted a bowl. He's happy. Ted's got the chopsticks out. Job done.
That's done. You've excelled yourself there.
What's the matter, Sarah?
Yeah, it's just the hassle of trying to get ready in a place that you're not actually stopping in. Very hard.
Is this not one of my better ideas?
No, I'd say it was one of your worst, you idiot.
Right, so this could possibly be the worst stealth spot that we've ever had. We literally parked outside the front doors in a van. We could act as a delivery van, maybe. We could be delivering bread to the hotel. But I don't know. Is it me, or is that just not stealth at all? Right, so it's time to go and get changed. We're going to go and get into the TARDIS.
Into the TARDIS?
TARDIS. We'll be back in a minute.
See you in a minute.
Don't forget, Ted's coming with us this weekend, so we've got our work cut out. Big baby.
Especially with these heels on.
And Sarah's all dressed up with the lead on. So she's getting pulled. No, you ain't got the lead. You ain't got a lead on.
No.
But she's getting pulled around. You need a skateboard.
I need my rollerblades.
Well, we've got a choice of where to eat tonight. We've got the Doubletree, Hilton over here, and then other than that, we've got a clock tower over here, which is more like grill.
Pub food, isn't it?
Pub food stroke grill.
But we have eaten there before.
We eaten there last time, so but we have eaten in here last time.
You had the best burger in there.
It was the best burger that I'd had there, but apart from the Brummy burger.
I was going to say apart from
Yeah, that one's topped it now. Right, let's go and have a look at the menu in here. Something to eat. I don't really like anything on the menu here.
No. There's more of a choice next door, so
I'm more of a bar grill man rather than a Bear Grylls man.
Well, you can eat some ants off the floor then.
Yeah, I'm gonna go berry picking in a minute.
Put them on a skewer.
I'm gonna go. I think someone's had a wee.
Oh. We're in disguise, Ted.
We're not in disguise. We're just. We need a disguise.
We need a disguise, yeah.
I think that's what we need. If we're going stealth camping, we're going to have to get a disguise for future.
I think Greg's going to have to dress up like a woman.
No, silly. But leave it in the comments if you think we should have disguises on the next video.
But you do it at home.
Shut up! You said this in the last video. People are going to start thinking of me.
Thinking of you.
Thinking not of me.
If anyone thinks about Greg, pop it down
leave it in the comments. I need a bit of love. Yeah, leave it in the comments if you think we should go in disguise on the next one.
Excuse me.
Yeah, there we go. I'm getting hungry now, so we'll finish these.
We're going to finish these and we're going to head over next door.
Next door, get some food. And
show you the menu.
Yeah, we'll go from there. Ready for a bit of food?
Yeah.
Come on then.
Let's go.
Aye.
Alright, apple pie.
Apple pie.
What you got there?
I've got a bit of confectionaries.
How many vinegars do you want?
I've got another one because this one hasn't been opened yet.
You've got 3.
So food's just arrived. We've got chicken strips, nachos and a bowl of chips with a few dips. That rhymes. Looks good, doesn't it? It's not really sharing platter, is it? But well, it is, I suppose.
It is.
Yeah, all right. See how we get on. See how hungry we are still when we finished. So we're going back into the Hilton now. We're going to get a quick pint, go to the toilet, use the toilet, snake and use the toilet. You have to buy a pint every time you got to use the toilet. It's not a bad thing, is it really? And then we're going to retire to the van. Then we've left
Ted for a little walk.
Yeah, we've left Ted in there for the minute. So see what he says. Well, not see what he says, but leave him to it.
Yeah. Done me.
Pardon me.
No. You got something in your tongue.
Probably saving a bit of that dinner.
He's done me over.
Yeah. Well, we just come back to the Hilton and we thought, right, we're going to use the toilet and get a quick drink.
I wish I'd never bloody made you turn back round because
he
he forgot we were going for a drink. So we were walking back to the van I know.
Was we not getting a drink?
Oh yeah, I forgot.
Oh yeah, bloody hell. I was just using it as an excuse to go and get use the toilet. And
£20 later.
20 quid for 2 drinks. We just ate for that. So I can see we're going straight back to the van after this.
You're grounded.
We're in the van.
Don't turn it round.
There's a lot of people walking past. So we have to keep turning the light off. Because we are parked literally outside the doors. So obviously, we must be thick. We're obviously going to get the most traffic, aren't we? What are you doing with my hoodie?
Wearing it.
That's my hoodie.
I'm wearing it. It's just a hoodie.
You're not doing more makeup?
No, I'm going out in a bit, so...
Oh, do you want me to call you a taxi?
Yes, please.
You're a taxi.
Where did you come from?
Where did you go? Where did you come from? Cotton Eye Joe.
Doubletree by Hilton Cheltenham was previously called Lilybrook. It stands on the site of an ancient manor which was rebuilt and improved in about 1700 and in 1861. In 1831 it was badly damaged by fire, and in 1833 it was again rebuilt. This is the house as it stands today.
Right, so we made it through the night. Sarah's just getting ready. Are you decent?
No.
She's just doing her hair.
Decent.
So Ted slept well. Did you sleep well, Ted? He's got a bit of a runny nose this morning, Ted has. I don't know what's... You all right, son? Was you a bit cold in the night?
No, to get him a blanket today.
Oh dear. So what we're going to do now, we're heading off to a place called Cheltenham on Spa. Is it on? Don't know. Cheltenham. And we're going to go and have a walk round, and we're going to take you with us. But you're going to have to wait till the next episode. So, until then, we'll see you next time.